TATAGO 3,000 pounds max weight capacity 16 inches twin bed frame. Heavy-duty bed legs and slats are made of widened and thickened steel to provide excellent support and prevent sagging, noise, and shaking. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Quick and easy assembly. All tools, hardware, parts, and instructions are included. Simple installation in minutes. No tools required. Your headboard can be installed on the leg with reserved holes. Number 2. No box spring needed in large storage space 16 inches bed height. No box spring is required, and the well-made slats can protect and extend the mattress life. Provide 14 inches of space under the bed to help you better store items. Number 3. Industrial design, extreme simplicity. And the meticulous black matte spray paint process makes the bed frame in modern industrial style. Suitable for the decoration style of most rooms. Dimension of twin. 75 by 38 by 16 inches with 0.98 inches groove. Number 4. Lifetime warranty. Attentive after-sales service. We will provide you with a satisfactory solution within 24 hours. Please rest assured to buy. Number 5. Fixed card slot, professional welding technology. Closely connected with the beam, no noise. Number 6. 20 reinforced slats. Provide strong support and protect your mattress. Number 7. Center support. The bed frame can easily bear the weight of 4 to 6 people without any sags. Number 8. Headboard attachment. Comes with 2 pre-drilled oval wide shaped on one side, allowing for the headboard, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does the mattress slip during use? Answer. The bed surface is 0.98 inches below the frame, which can effectively prevent the mattress from sliding. Please choose the right size compared with the mattress. Question number 2. Q. Can I attach a headboard to it? Answer. Yes, 2 holes are reserved on the legs. You can use bolts and screws to connect your headboard to the frame. Screws for connection are not included in the package. Question number 3. Can I use a box spring with this frame? Answer. It is 16 inches high, no box spring is needed. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.